Hey my peeps, let's turn this cute wood trinket box from Dollar Tree into a cake. So I painted my wood box pink. You can paint yours any color you want. Like you can use any, you don't have to use pink and white. You can make it chocolate, brown, and white, pink, whatever color you want. This is your trinket box. You make it however you want. So I'm using cream glue. I got it from Designs by Yanita. But when you use cream glue, make sure you massage the bag really well and get that the glue really conditioned so that it could flow smoothly out of the bag. Okay, so then I put it back into the other bag because I was gonna change out the tip, but then I decided not to change out the tip. But that's why you put the bag inside another bag. So if you want to change the tip out, you don't have to use a whole new bag. You just pull out the bag and you put a new tip, you put it back inside the second bag, and you just go on and decorate. So I'm just using a basic up and down motion to decorate this cake. Now you could cover the whole top in white. You could like spread the white cream glue out and then put a border. I didn't do that, but I was wishing that I did after, I finished. But maybe my next trinket box will be covered at the top. So make sure you wipe off your tip because this cream glue is a bit sticky and you don't want it to get all over the place. So I'm just doing some designs on the side of the box, and I'm going to go all the way around the box and just do some scalloped edges. You can do whatever style you want, but I just wanted to keep it basic. You guys know that I'm very simplistic. I don't like to make anything too complicated because I want everybody to make it. And if you make things too complicated, people just feel like they can't do it. And I want everybody to feel like they can do it. See, all I did was up and down motion. I barely picked it up off the wood box. So this is easy to do. And it looks so cute and pretty. And you can make this for somebody's birthday, graduation. There's so many different things you can do. So I felt like the inside of the box needed to be like a little bit thicker. So I just went around and put another layer of the edge on the inside. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I just wanted it to look a little bit more full, so I just went back inside and just did another layer. Okay, and so then I decided I wanted to put in some decorations, but then I only had one of those bright pink ones, so I had to take it out and put light pink. So I'm gonna put it onto my Teflon sheet because I want to put an edge on the bottom and I don't want it to stick to anything. So I find that my Teflon sheet, it works best once it dries. I'm going to leave this on here until it dries like the next day. You don't want to remove it because the cream glue is just going to come off and then it's going to mess up your design. So you just want to leave it there and leave it alone until it dries the next day, okay? So then I got me some, glitter, some shimmer glitter just to go on the top. I was thinking I wanted to put it on the edges, but then I remembered that if I pick it up, I will mess it up. So I didn't do that. So now I got me some little pink diamonds. And I'm just sticking some here, then everywhere. You could do the whole box. I didn't do the whole box, but you can if you want to. I'm just giving you some ideas. Okay, and I put some on the front of the trinket box, but I didn't go all the way around, and I should have went all the way around because after I looked at it, it was looking so pretty. But at that time, I just didn't feel like doing it. And once the cream glue dries, there's no way for you to, get it on there. I mean, you could glue it on there, but it's not the same thing because it's going to be on top of the cream glue and not in the cream glue. So anyways, that was it. Just put some little stones on there, and there you go. There go your cake trinket box. You can make this for a little girl, or like I said, as a gift for a birthday. Make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.